So guess where I am again? I'm at CVS. I want to do this toilet paper deal. It's buy two, you get one free. And it's the Babo paper towel. Not paper towels, tissue. I'm sorry. So if you buy four, what's going to happen is right now they're buy one, get one free. So you're getting two free. And then when you combine it with this CRT right here, guys, you'll get it for, you'll get three free and you'll get one, you'll be paying for one, which is $10.99. I have $8 in extra care bucks that I'm going to roll into this. And I think I might do the paparazzi deal as well, because they're normally 2 for $5, and this will give me $1. I have a CRT that's on my card. Get $1 off, and it's gonna make it $4, and then you're gonna get $4 extra care bucks. So free nail polish, why not, right? So let me go in and see if my CVS has the Babo toilet paper. So we'll see right now. Let's go. All right, yay, they have some. So I'm gonna get 4 of them, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pick 4 of these up. Find that paparazzi nail polish. It's normally on the end cap, so let's go find it. All right, here's a nail polish deal right here, guys. So the Babo paper, toilet paper was not marked, as you could see, so I'm gonna pick up this is a cute green. What is this one called? Prime of Lime. And then I'm gonna do I can't get this thing out of here. Alright. Tango Star. Okay. Bam. We are done. Let's go check out. Yes, I love to see that total go down. $7.65. So I'm going to go over the receipt with you here in just a moment. Okay, so I made it out of CVS, guys, and the deal went perfectly. It went perfect, okay? So there are the 4 paper towels, as you see. There's 2 free, because you buy one, get one free. And there are the 2 nail polishes, okay? It came up to 5. And as you can see, it took 1 off down here, guys. So that was my CRT from the red machine. It took $10.99 off. So it took, instead of me buying 2, that took off 1 for $10.99, making it where I only paid the 1 for 1, okay? There is my $1 off of 5 paparazzi nail polish. I rolled a $6 extra care buck and a $2 extra care buck. And I paid $6.99. And I got back, guys, $6 for the tissue. And I got a $4 extra care buck for the paparazzi. So, yeah, that was a great transaction. Okay, so if you need some tissue and you got this CRT for that paper, for that toilet paper, and your store has it, take advantage of it. It's a great deal. I just wanted to come on today real quick with this haul and just show you what I got. And let's see. So yeah, I paid $6.99 and I got back $10. Moneymaker. Okay, I am about to get home. I will get this posted so you guys can see it. Thank you for following me. Please don't forget to subscribe and like on your way out or on your way to the next video. Have a good day.